everything going there? You like your new slippers? You and Daddy got matching slippers, didn't you? You keep trying to get in Daddy's. He knows the term slippers, doesn't he? As soon as I say it, he keeps coming over to your feet. We only told him that once. Weird, huh?
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
Coming to see Daddy. He's shortcutting the circle.
He kicked his ball out.
Wow, look at that, Graffy. Can he kick your ball? I was trying to get him to do that yesterday, but he kept picking it up. Can he kick it? Kick it! Kick the ball! You gonna kick it? Are you gonna kick it? Yeah! Go! Good job, buddy. Mommy and Daddy are very impressed.